This is a servo. Someone tried to make into a Corvette one, put a Corvette spring. Company did this. There's 180,000 miles on this trans. Everything shifted, worked, overdrive. Surprised because of this. Band keeper. The band rubbed on the drum, blued it a little bit, but did not warp it. Band was junk. Say it went through all the gears. Got a little wobble. Actual pin for the piston here. You can see it a little bit. Long story short, this spring was shattered. I got a new one with a trans shift kit by Transgo. This is the plate. One of the balls that I have down in here were beat through the plate. So you can reuse all that. Valve body, TV cable. You can see it comes all the way out and it's fully springed. This thing has all new springs inside the transmission. Everything is replaced by the Transgo stuff here. I fixed it and replaced it all. Weights for the third, fourth shift plate, weight gear. You know, you get your springs in there and all that. Don't play with that until you have it all together. Okay. Here's your pump, which is good on mine still. The drum, like I say, is a little blued. You can't feel none of it. Scotch brite it. Check it with a flat, no daylight. It's not warped. It needs a hardened one, but I'm going to use it for now. Everything else is good. The drum, the shaft. You see the O-ring's flat. It's not rubber no more. It's like plasticky for the overdrive, for the torque converter. Boost valve shavings, you can see it's drilled out properly to spec. Proper new upgrade boost valve, everything put into it. There it is, all by Transgo. See? Prevents, reduces everything. This comes with a shift kit in there you can add. That's what I did here. But there's everything. This is the springs. This is your forward clutch. This is a piston. And this right here is another piston right here. And finally there's another piston under the bottom. If you look really careful, see how the seal's all rubbed looking? Well, it's not elastic really well no more. It's pretty plasticky and that's rubbed. You're losing pressure. Well, you can see that other one's right there too. Like I say, there's a piston here, there's a piston there, and there's a piston here. And that's for your lower, reverse clutches and forward clutches and all the stuff. So, accumulator piston. Like I say, all these springs are new that you're seeing because I've already added the shift kit. I just got to clean it up. As soon as I tore it apart, I cleaned like this and added the shift kit into it and set the other springs in this shit. And I have to clean the rest of it yet. There it is. Here's the clutches. You can see they were perfect, I wouldn't lie. It went through all the gears. They are Corvette clutches, but this thing was built, like I say, in 1984 or 5. So it's super old. There it is. I'm going to let you guys know with a video, a part 2, when this thing goes all back together, and I'll actually assemble it on video and we'll do a speed up time. Speedometer cable, like you can see, there's no wear on any of the gears or anything. It's in perfect pristine. Wire harness worked for the overdrive, but I put an eliminator piston. You don't have to plug it in, it'll shift into overdrive. Everything's here and really good, no wear. Thank you everybody. Like, comment, subscribe. As always, have a good day. There'll be another video coming shortly. I'm working a lot on the make sure the paint stuff gets done and filming stuff for that. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day.